How thick should a mattress be? If you're in the market for a new mattress and wondering how thick it should be, you're not alone. The right mattress thickness can make a big difference in your sleep quality, so let's break it down. First, it's important to consider who will be using the mattress. If you're sharing a bed with a partner, kids, or even pets, you'll want a mattress that's at least 10 to 12 inches thick. This thickness provides the necessary support and comfort for multiple sleepers. Next, think about your body weight. Lightweight and average sleepers, typically those weighing between 130 to 230 pounds, can usually find comfort in mattresses that are 8 to 12 inches thick. However, if you're plus-sized or weigh more than 230 pounds, you'll likely need a thicker mattress, often between 12 to 14 inches or more, to get the right support and comfort. Your sleeping position is also a factor. Side sleepers, for example, often benefit from thicker mattresses because they need extra cushioning to alleviate pressure points. Back and stomach sleepers might prefer a standard thickness of 8 to 12 inches, depending on their personal comfort preferences. The materials used in the mattress also play a role. Mattresses are typically made up of two main layers, the comfort layer and the base layer. The comfort layer should be at least 2 to 3 inches thick to provide adequate cushioning, while the base layer should be around 5 to 6 inches thick to ensure durability and support. For instance, memory foam mattresses often work well with a medium to thick profile, while latex mattresses can offer good support with a slightly thinner design. When it comes to specific thickness ranges, here are some general guidelines. Low-profile mattresses are 2 to 5 inches thick and are best for babies, bunk beds, or fold-away beds. Slim mattresses are 5 to 8 inches thick and suit kids, people with mobility issues, or small bedrooms. Standard mattresses are 8 to 12 inches thick and are suitable for most adults and sleep styles. Thick or deep mattresses are 12 to 16 inches thick and are ideal for plus-sized adults, couples, and side sleepers. Extra thick or extra deep mattresses are 16 inches or more and are best for plus-sized adults, families, or extra-large bedrooms. In summary, the ideal mattress thickness depends on several factors, including body weight, sleeping position, and the number of people sharing the bed. By considering these factors, you can choose a mattress that provides the right balance of comfort and support for a great night's sleep.